If you have lost your debit or credit card of Capital One Bank, how you can simply get the replacement of your card or how you can simply order a new card to your address from the main application of Capital One. Now, if you have the app, that is good. If you don't have it, you can do it on the website as well. In this video, I'm simply going to show you all the steps regarding that as I don't have an active account with the Capital One. But of course, I know that how you can simply do this thing. For this, we will take a reference to official Capital One website to request a new debit card through the mobile application. You just have to sign in on the Capital One mobile app. The text, you can simply give a text to the number 80101 for a link to download the app. Now, select the spending account for your debit card. Select view all from I want to section or the menu. Then scroll down to replace missing card and follow the steps. You have to verify your identity for that. If you'd like to the card to be sent to the address on the file, select the address listed on the screen and tap on replace the card. And then tap the done option to confirm the card replacement. If you would like the card to be sent on a different address, you can call 1-800-655-2265. This is a very confidential process so that I cannot show you on the mobile exactly doing it, but I showed you the steps you can do it. Please let us know if you face any problem with Capital One Bank. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like that.